Okay, this is the welcome3 program. Let's run it. It's going to open a window and display some text with a little bit of a time delay. So that's welcome3. Now let's take a look at the code. A lot of the code is the same. We open the StartPy library and bring in everything. We declare the two constants. Now we've got an additional constant that says 1_second equals 1,000. That's because time in the gaming library is measured in milliseconds. So I'm saying 1 second equals 1,000 milliseconds. So I'm going to use that for a bit of a time delay. Now I've got the same setup as before, and now I need to make the labels. In the StartPy gaming library, labels are created by saying something like sign1, that's the name of the label, equals a label, that's the built-in function that writes the code or that generates the label. It's 75 high, it's done in red, and it's the words welcome. Similarly, sign2 is a label. I couldn't, by the way, reuse this name. If I use sign1 here, then I've got to use some other name, and I've chosen to call it sign2. So sign2 is a label that's 75 high in yellow and consists of to the, and sign3 is a label that's 75 high, it's orange, and free Python book. So I'm going to get the message, welcome to the free Python book. Now in the main program, I've got a little bit more stuff than I had before. After opening the window, I pause for 1 second. That says wait for 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. So the window opens, nothing happens for a second, and then I add the first sign over by 100 and down by 75. That's measured in pixels from the upper left corner. So I'm going to add sign 1, 100 pixels over to the right and 75 pixels down. Then I'll wait a second. I'll add sign 2 over 100 pixels and down 200, so it's down a little farther. Then I wait 1 second, and then I add sign 3, putting it in the window, over 100 and down 325. The net result is I get sign 1, which is welcome, sign 2 below that, which is to the, and then sign 3, which is free Python book, below that. Each appearance is separated by 1 second, and then I have the usual cleanup. So let's take a quick look again. Open the customized window, first sign, second sign, third sign, all separated by 1 second.